Good morning. Welcome to Driven It. I've got to get Barry across the garage. I've got to do a little repair, and I've not had this thing. I was just having a look. I've not had him started for about 2 months, and it is now 1.8 degrees in the garage. So it's very cold. Also, the ground is very hard, so it means I can drive him across the grass without him sinking in. But let's see if he starts. Now, ignition on. One pump on the throttle to activate the chokes. Hey, little blip, oil pressure light off. Look at that. He is bloody amazing. And I think it's all part of, what have we got? AccuSpark, an AccuSpark distributor. Not the best, I have had one fail, but points and condenser, yeah, they're all right, but the electronic module from AccuSpark really is epic. Anyway, he started. Next up is the X19. Anyway, so much for driving across the grass because it's hard, because, well, that fucking backfired, didn't it? It's literally already skid mark. Trap bag. Right, now this thing has not been started all that long ago. Right, a couple of pumps on the throttle, activate his chokes. Oh, okay, and the dicky solenoid thing, hang on. Oh, you bugger. Here's a dicky one. You have to really get that exciter wire and the solenoid just right. Oh, that's good. Okay, not so bad. But he's he's been like this for 13 years. I will correct it. When I take him off the road, we'll sort that. There we go. So he starts as well. Hooray! Just for the shits and giggles, shall we see if we can get Douglas started? Because it is cold. He doesn't have any chokes on his carburetors. So it'll be interesting to see what he's like. Because Barry has chokes and they work very well. This thing doesn't. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at that. That's a Eager Beetle. Oh, hang on. Oh, he's in gear start. Oh, he's an Eager Beaver. He's a good boy. I might as well just leave him running now. See you later.